Hi everyone, Sandy here. Welcome to my channel. I'm back from vacation, had a great time down at Matagorda, and while I was gone, I received some packages from Country Craft Creations that I did a personal shopping spree on before I left. So what I have here is some of the supplies that I got with my first order. Yes, I actually did 3 separate orders before I went on vacation. So this one here, I got the 4-ounce art glitter glue. The others were sold out at the time, but I needed more glue, so I like that size, so I got that. Then I also picked up 2 more sheets of this really cute Spooky by Echo Park sticker sheets. And I used some in a Halloween project recently for my 13 Frights Before Halloween event that you can find here on my channel. And I love these little images, so I picked up 2 more sheets of the stickers so that I could have them for other projects for this year or later on, whatever I decide to do. So these are just so cute. Then I, of course, picked up some of the 12 by 12 acetate sheets because I love using this for different frames and for other projects. And I needed some more artisan cardstock. So I got the black and a couple of packs of the 6 by 6 score tape sheets. So that was the basic order pretty much that I did. And then some new items came out into the shop and I had to have them. So I did 2 orders. They were shipped together, but I did 2 separate orders because at first I was going to resist and not order the Christmas Prima stuff, but then I had to have it. And so I went back in and ordered it on my second Prima order. The first one was for Halloween. So I'm going to go through this with you. They're all put together. So this first package is more of the floral pieces of both collections. So let me open that really quick and pull these out. I'm not going to open the individual packages because I don't want to lose anything. Now, some of these may still be available in the shop. They may be sold out. She may be ordering more in. I am not sure, so you'll just have to check on that. This is the Christmas ones that came in, and they are called, let me see. The Christmas ones are called Candy Cane Lane, and they're all Primas. These flowers are just gorgeous. I picked up, I think, a pack of each one. I know on some of them I may have got 2. Can't really remember what I ordered, but I did get some of each. I was lucky that it hadn't sold out yet. I love these poinsettias. Though I can make them, I just had to have these that were already done by Prima. I've got the holly and berries. And then I also got a couple of packs of flowers that are in the colors that are for the Luna, which is the Halloween collection. And so these are really, really pretty in these softer colors like the pinks and the light oranges that go with that paper collection. So you'll see the paper in just a bit. Okay, so that's the flowers. I'm going to set those aside. And then we're going to open this big package and see what all we got in here. So this is a lot of fun to get all this pretty stuff. Now, I hope to make something this year with both these collections. I can't guarantee it. Now, this is not for a design team project. This is just a personal project. This was a shopping spree. This is not a design team package, so I'm not required to use it, but I want to use it. So we'll see what happens before the year's out. So I'm separating these. I'm putting the Luna on the right. So it's got that little picture there. I can tell which one goes. Well, you can tell by looking at it. But then I'm going to put the Candy Cane Lane items to the left. And so I'll show you each one of what I got. I did go ahead and get a 8 by 8 pack on each one, as well as I got 2 of the 12 by 12 of the Luna because I really, really love Halloween and I couldn't decide what I want to make. So I got 2 of those, but I resisted and got just 1 of the 12 by 12 for the Christmas for the Candy Cane Lane. So we'll see how that goes. And again, if you check on countrycraftcreations.com, it's sold out. I know she did a second order. She may be doing a third or fourth order. So just check it out and see. Send a message, a contact with a message to see if more is being added. I'm sure she will keep adding it as Prima, as long as it's available from Prima. Okay, so let's take a look at the Halloween Luna collection first. So here is the paper. I'm going to flip through that with you real quick. Let me open it up. Grab some scissors. Maybe I need a knife. I'm going to see if these scissors works or not. Sometimes it cuts easily. I don't want to tear up my paper for sure. So let me see. Got it on the other side as well. That one's not cutting as easy. So let me grab my knife, my craft knife, and I'll just cut that real quick, and then we can flip through this. Now, the 12 by 12 does have the gold foil on some of the elements here on it. So this is your cut aparts. You can see, I'm going to hold it up so you can kind of see the gold shimmer right there on some of the images. This is a really cute vintage paper. It's not bright orange or bright hot pink or anything like that. It's got a light pink color to it, a light orange, kind of a grayish, lighter black. And I just love how it looks. So this paper up here at the top, the back side is so cute. It's got the little cats. So you get 3 sheets of each design. This is your 3 by 4 cut aparts. And I'm going to turn this around so you can see it. There's the little house with the cats. Super, super cute, super vintage images. I'm just loving all of it. Take a look at this little girl with her jack-o'-lantern, and then on the back side you've got this really great large stripe, and then this cute little vintage print here, and on the back of that is little black cats with little moons. I'll show you that in a bit. Now this one has tags, and I love the tags, and on the back side has this really cool big orange dots, and then I love the Luna moon in this image here with the little ghost and the little girl, the witch and her cat, and the jack-o'-lanterns. Just adorable. Let me flip that up. I'll show you the back side in just a bit. So this has got little ghost on it. See that the stars are in gold. Now you don't get the gold foil look on the 8 by 8, so keep that in mind. If you want like that gold, you want to get the 12 by 12. I love the spider web on the back of that one. And then this one has more tags and cut aparts. So let me flip it over really quick and show you the back side, or the B side. So we have that with the pumpkins and the large dots, the webs. There's that black cat with the little stars and moon. Love that. The big stripes, the little haunted house and tree with cats, and then I love this pink color with the black cats. So that's the 12 by 12, and I got 2 of those. And then of all these goodies here, let's see, here's the 8 by 8. It's the same images, just doesn't have the gold. I'm just flipping through that real quick. And then we have the Satan crystals. Couldn't think there for a minute. Satan crystals with the flat backs, dots. And then we have the ephemera. There's 2 packs of that. There's 2 different ones on that. So I got 1 of each. So one has 74, one has 76. So similar images. You can see those on the back. I'm not going to open those. I apologize if you're hoping that I would open it, because I don't want to lose my elements right now. So I've got the chipboard pieces. You have 2 front and back. And I did, I love that moon. I did pick up 2 of those. Such cute images on there with the moon and the witch and all the little ghosts. And then these charms, I've got these really cute moon and ghost charms. And then I've got a mold. So you can use like paper clay or even hot glue in these molds so that you can paint and stain and create your own little elements. So like that, I've never done that before. And then I have these pumpkin charms. See if you can see those in the pastel colors, the lighter orange and the black. And then the 3 by 4 journaling cards. Let me open that really quick with my knife. These are fun to have to tuck in pockets. You can make a little mini album out of them. It's the same images, but it's just in the smaller size, and they're already, in the 3 by 4 for you, and you can use them front and back. So that's a lot of fun to have those. So I always like to get a pack of that. And then I also got these little elements for shaker cards. So I've got these with the little orange, the little pink here, and the black. That's the little candy corns. So it's just really cute. Those are little black cats in there. So that's going to be fun to make shaker with that acetate sheet that I have, and then the crystal dots there. So now let's take a look at the Christmas one. Like I said, I tried to resist this and not order the Christmas, but I couldn't. After I saw it online in a video by Sally, I just had to have it. So, oh, I missed this one. This is also for the Luna collection. This is the transparency acetate sheet that's printed on. So I got that. So here, let's move all this aside to the side, and we'll take a look at the paper, the 12 by 12 paper pad of this Candy Cane Lane. Now these are the, oh, I can't think, is it the vellum or the acetate? Let's see which one I ordered. I'm watching my own video afterwards. So Candy Cane Lane. Looks like acetate sheets. Vellum. That is the vellum. So I got 2 of those of the vellum. I thought they were the vellum. So I apologize for that because I didn't even know what I was showing you. I haven't done a voiceover because I messed up and didn't have my microphone turned on. So here's the paper. This is the cut aparts. I'm going to show you the front side first, and then I'll flip it over and show you all the back or the B side. So this has got the gold in it as well. Very, very pretty. 3 sheets of each pattern. We've got this Santa here. This is my favorite kind of vintage Santa. I just love it. I guess this is what sold me on getting it. I saw that Santa and I just had to have it. I love the pink, lighter pink colors with it. It's not the vibrant red and vibrant green of Christmas, but it's there, and it's just going to be really a beautiful, probably an album I'll make out of that. There's the smaller Santas. Some more cut aparts. Love that Santa image. Both of them, the one with the little deer. Then we have a sheet of stockings, Christmas stockings. And I love this one with the dots in that little fawn, that little deer there on the side. Isn't that so cute? I love that. Santa. Prima does a really nice collection. And again, this one does have the gold in it. And here's the tags. Or is that's the 3x4, sorry, 3x4 cut aparts. And then the tags. I love that it has the tags. So these are fun to cut out and put in your pockets or just have for gifts. You know, you can tie them on your gift and put who they're to and from on the back. Some more cut aparts. And then let's flip it over and take a look at the back side. So I love this. You got your solid print with some of the patterns on the side. Now the back side does not have gold. You get the stripe. And again, these are not your really bright Christmas reds and greens, but it's there, the lighter colors. So I love that. Very, very vintage. So if you like vintage Christmas paper, you're going to love this one. So you want to check it out, see if you can still get it from Country Craft Creations. Here's the poinsettia and ornaments. Trees with the little deer. So I really love the back side as well as the front, even though it doesn't have gold in it. And then we have the red, the lighter red with the stars and snowflakes. There's some icons like the candy cane and the bows and the holly. And then we have this very vintagey image here, smaller images of the sleigh and deer, and then this with the dots. And that's almost like a junk journal tag there on the side. Would work for that. And then the large stripes. I really love those. So that's the 12 by 12. And like I said, I got the 8 by 8. Same patterns, no gold on it. And then on my elements, I don't have as many as I do with the Luna, but I got these really, really cute Christmas stockings, mini stockings. Then I got some of the candy cane elements that you could put in a shaker, little bits of candy looking elements, the little red and white and a little pink. Really, really cute. Love how that looks. It's going to be fun. And then I got the mold. silicone mold so that I can make some elements out of that. Some of the Say It With Crystals, another 3x4 journaling cards. Cut that open so you can flip through and see. So this, again, the same images, doesn't have the gold on it, but these are just great for tucking into those pockets. And you can make a little mini album out of it, which I may do. I love to make little tiny mini albums and use ribbon for the binding. Then I got the charms. So these have a tree and some snowflakes. I got a pack of the ephemera. And also a pack of the chipboard stickers. So you can see the ephemera that's in this one. And here's the chipboard stickers. Okay, so that is my shopping haul. This is the Prima Candy Cane Lane. The other one was the Luna by Prima. Check countrycraftcreations.com, see if they're still available. Keep checking back or send a message and see if more is going to be added. If it's showing sold out, I will do a link down below. This is the project that I just did recently that's on my YouTube channel. This is the smaller Trapper Keeper that I designed using the Life is Beautiful paper collection by Country Craft Creations. So I'm going to be working on some more projects with that paper next. And these two packages that I got, I'll work on them as I can. So if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, click on that bell, and shop countrycraftcreations.com. Bye-bye.